To activate Diagnosis Test Mode, you rotate the selector knob counterclockwise left one or more clicks to clear the sequence. Let's slow it down. Turn knob left, then right 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 left right. All LED lights should light up except the lid. Select cycle completed, and some models it will say spin and press start. Now we are in fault code mode. This will display stored error codes. To pull up pass error codes, turn knob clockwise once to display each stored error. Then you will see the LED lights blink back and forth indicating an error, and if you look at your service manual you can find out what these codes mean. Keep on turning knob clockwise to find next error code, and once you are done hold the cancel for 5 seconds. Now let's enter automatic test mode. But first we have to place back into service mode. Left. Right right right. Left right. The service manual is located here behind panel. Okay, now we are back in service test mode. Turn knob to final spin, or some models say spin and press start. Now we are in automatic test mode. This test mode will test all parts of your washer and stop and show any errors if there are any. Once the automatic test mode is done, press and hold cancel to reset. Now let's enter manual test mode. This setting you can pick what part of the machine you want to activate. Turn knob left, right, 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 left, right. Select final spin and cycle completed and press start to enter manual test mode. Once you enter, you can press start to test lid lock. Then if you like to test another part, turn the knob clockwise to highlight wash, final spin and lid lock, and press start to activate spin cycle. Press start to cancel test. Now turn the knob to turn off all green lights and press start to unlock the door. At this point you should be able to understand how to use these service test modes. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Let Online Appliance Tech be your online help when you need it.